So hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to share with you the secrets to making Erasmus Mundus like you for their fully funded scholarship. And I have got 5 essential tasks for you that will help you stand out and secure this amazing opportunity. So let's dive right in. So the task 1 is to inspire for impact. Erasmus Mundus is always looking for individuals who are not just academically excellent but also have a strong desire to make a difference in society. You have to reflect on your background and your future goals. How have your experience shaped your passion for contributing towards the society? And you have to highlight specific instances where you have made some positive impact and explain that how this scholarship will help you amplify this impact on a larger scale. Now, the task 2 is to remember that academics alone do not matter. You have to showcase your full spectrum, your experiences, your extracurricular activities. These all things play a really significant role. You have to showcase your involvement in various activities, internships, volunteer works, some projects. So this will really demonstrate your well-rounded personality and ability to manage multiple responsibilities effectively. So the task 3 is to craft your compelling why. You have to sell them your why. Why do you want to pursue this particular program and why specifically Erasmus Mundus? So make sure your reasons are really compelling, honest and personal. You have to connect your academic and professional aspirations with the unique opportunities provided by Erasmus Mundus. And also you have to show them that you have done your research and genuinely you are excited about what this program is offering. Now the most important task is task 4, which is mastering your 4 pillars. Give your 100% in application documents. I call them 4 pillars, which are motivation letter, your CV, your recommendation letter, and your language proficiency acknowledgement. Either it is IELTS or your university proficiency letter. And each of these pillars should be well crafted. Your motivation letter, for example, should tell your story passionately. Your CV should highlight your achievements clearly, and your recommendation letter should balance and should endorse these things. And also your language proficiency should meet the required standards. Now the last quick tip is connect personally. Make them believe in the connection between you as a person and the application program. You have to show them that you are not just a candidate, you are the perfect fit for the program. And for this thing, you can relate your personal story to the goals of Erasmus Mundus program. And you can also demonstrate your personal values that they are aligning with the program and you are committed to making most out of this opportunity. So these were my 5 quick tips, my 5 quick tasks that you have to do to help you secure the Erasmus Mundus scholarship. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips.